Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video will explain the basics of Angular. So basically this will be a series of videos where I am going to explain the concepts of Angular, which is really helpful for developing any Angular project. But for this video we will do the initial setup. So let's get started. So here comes our first question, which is what is Angular? So basically Angular is a component based framework which is developed by Google. We use a lot of components in order to develop any project or in order to develop any website in Angular. Okay. So this component you will heard lot of times in Angular. We can create a single page application using Angular. So basically what single page application is, it's like when you navigate from one page to another, the browser won't reload. There is only one page, which is index.html, and using the only index.html page we will create our entire project. So this is what a single page application means in Angular. Okay, and it's totally written in TypeScript. So the prerequisite for learning any Angular project is TypeScript. You need to know TypeScript, JavaScript little bit, or HTML, CSS. These things you should know before jumping into the Angular part. Okay, so uh, let's do our first setup of Angular project. For every Angular project, this Node.js is required. This is a software which is required for every Angular project if you want to run your application. Okay. So I have already installed this software. This is the official website for Node.js. So for me, this is the Windows version. If you are using Windows, you can use this one, 64-bit one, or this one, or if you are in MacBook, so you can use these two, or if you are in Linux, likewise you can use these two. Okay. So for me, I have already downloaded it and installed it. After downloading, like here you can see, right, I have already downloaded it and installed it. Once it is successfully installed, what you need to do, the second step is you need to install Angular CLI. So in the folder where you want to create your website, you go there and open the CMD. Okay, and in CMD type npm install, I for install, -c means globally, @angular/CLI. Press enter and this will install Angular CLI. So basically Angular CLI provides ng commands, and using ng commands we can generate our application and all these things we can do. Okay, so I have done this one. You need to do this one in order to use ng commands and all. Okay, now after successfully installing Angular CLI, what you need to do, you need to again open the CMD. I think you're open, so you just stick with the open CMD, and you need to write this one command more like this ng command what I was talking about earlier, right? Ng new, and write the name what you want to give the your project name. So for me I'm going to give Shikha. Press enter. It will ask some of the question. Do you want the routing file or not? For me, I want. What kind of CSS you want to use? So I want this SCSS. Okay. And after, if I press enter here, it will install the dependencies for you for your application. So I press enter. Now it started working, right? It started creating our Angular application. But I have already created some of the application in Angular. So I'm not going to create a new project. I'm going to use the old one. So once your application is successfully created, you need to navigate inside it. Okay, I'm going to delete this one. So I'm going to use this VBSSR. You will see your Angular project is created. You will find this node modules and this packet.json. These are all the important files. Angular.json. They are all the important file for running any Angular application. Okay. What you need to do after successful installation, you need to open this CMD again and write this ng serve command. Okay, so once ng serve done, it will give you the port. So for me, this is the localhost 4200, and in this port, my application is running. So let's check localhost 4200 localhost 4200. Now you can see, right, I have put this header and footer in this localhost 4200 port. Like in my project I have already given this one, so that's why. But for you there will be one Angular icon and some of the text which is the default one for any Angular application. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do so, please like, comment and share this video. Thank you for watching till now.